19 years, and we're still here. Through every laugh, through every tear, you're my star, you're my way. The colors in my everyday. We've danced through storms, we've chased our light, held each other in the darkest night. Time can't touch what we create. With you, my love, it's never too late. Endless 19, and still we shine. Through every moment, you're still mine. Step by step, we wrote this tune, a love that's cast beneath the moon. Years can pass, but they can't fade. The vows we whispered, the love we made. Every morning, and still I find I'd choose you over ever moon. Years can pass, but they can't fade. The vows we whispered, the love we made. Every morning, and still I find I'd choose you over every time. Your smile's the map that guides my day. Your hug's the home that makes me stay. In your arms I feel the same as the first time you called my name. Endless 19, and still we shine. Through every moment, you're still mine. Step by step, we wrote this tune, a love that's cast beneath the moon.